Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine Marketplace video. However, it's no longer the Unreal Engine Marketplace, it is now the Fab Marketplace. So welcome to a Fab Marketplace video. This is another free for the month video. However, there are some important changes that we need to address first. So this is the first free for the month on the new Fab Marketplace, and with that, they've made some changes. So usually it was the first Tuesday of every month, but now it is split up into two. So it's the first Tuesday and the third Tuesday of every month. And now because they're doing it twice, what it's going to be is there's less amount each time. So this time they've done 3, and it might be 3 each time, or it might be 3 and 2 because they used to only be 5. That's something that we'll find out. However, for this, I guess, bi-weekly period, we have 3 different assets. Now these are still free forever. As soon as you claim them, you keep them forever. However, you have less time to claim them. And then also something else is obviously Fab now has personal and professional licenses. These assets that you claim, you only have the personal license on them. So that is also something that you're going to need to keep in mind. But also because this is Fab as well, the majority, if not all of the assets, you will be able to use in other game engines as well. So for example, the only other engine at the moment is Unity. However, they are looking to add more in the future. So that is just a quick important announcement on the whole free for the month stuff because it is changing slightly. We're still getting assets for free, but they're only personal license and you're getting them every 2 weeks instead of every 4. But with all of that out of the way, let's get into the actual bulk of this video with the free stuff that you're here for. And this bi-weekly period around, we have the military airport, military base and military props, the hyper outliner and symbol system V2, and the forest animals pack. So let's get into it, starting with the military airport, military base, and military props. So this pack offers high quality assets and assemblies, allowing you to create a military airport environment for games and cinematics. This can be implemented into the game levels by copying the assemblies into the scene, and all the materials of the buildings are also tileable. So that means it will be very easy to make it a nice modular pack. This pack also includes buildings like hangars, heli deck, fuel silo, watchtower and more, and props and airbase roads which complement the military airport environments are also included as well. Now the UI of Fab has changed a lot differently from the Unreal Marketplace, so I can't actually see how much it used to be worth before it's free. It just says it's free at the moment. So unfortunately I can't tell you how much you're saving unless obviously you come back to this after the period has ended. But next up we have the Hyper Outliner and Symbol System V2. So the core of this system is an outliner shader essentially. So this allows you to set an outliner on any actor from any place. It uses an actor component with useful functions to manage different outlines easily. There are 3 different colors predefined. There's also a primary, secondary, and tertiary outliner already set up as well. You can toggle multiple actors via a function from the AC outliner, and you can also toggle global scene depth easily. Using this, you can also set and attach a symbol on any of your actors, like a question mark or an arrow, which is perfect for quest systems. There are also set options on the symbols, for example, play rate, rotation, up and down movement, mesh, and color sets. So as you can see, this just gives you a really nice outliner and symbols, and the outlines can also be seen through walls as well. If, for example, you want to make an X-ray vision or a thermal camera sensor or anything along those lines, this would work quite well for that. And finally, last but not least, we have the Forest Animals pack. And so this includes various different animals, obviously from the forest. So you have the bear, a boar, a deer doe, a deer stag, a fox, a rabbit, and a wolf. And now there's not a lot to say on these, it's simply just you can see them and you've got them. They've not said a lot on here. However, these are rigged and they are also animated. So obviously, like I say, there's 7 different characters and the vertex count of the characters is on the marketplace page. I'm not going to go through all of them. However, they do look very, very good. The text resolutions are both 2K and 4K. And the different animations you've got is the bear has 24, the boar has 13, the deer stag has 11, the deer doe has 8, the fox has 16, the rabbit has 12, and the wolf has 17. These are all in both root motion and in place as well. So I think this one also looks absolutely fantastic. But with that, I think that'll be it for this video on this month's, or I guess this bi-weekly period for the free assets, which they are now calling limited time free. I think my favorite one this time around is probably the military airport. and let me know in the comments down below which one your favorite one is, and also what you think about the way that they've changed the system. I think I personally prefer how it was before on the Unreal Marketplace, where it's free for the month. However, let me know what you think as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful, especially with me reminding you that these are actually a thing, because a lot of people didn't know if Fab was still going to be doing the free for the month stuff, and also letting you know of the changes made as well. So you do actually have less time now to claim these. You only have 2 weeks instead of 4. If you did enjoy this, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.